Pallavi Murudkar. I am corporate trainer. I am here in the education industry from 2006. Today I welcome you all in another session of our podcast. It's related to life management, effective life management rather. Okay, so doctor,
Yeah.
thing is, what action cause our life ineffective, meaningless? What are actions which makes
Yeah. Well, yes, that is something which is a very valuable question, especially for making our life effective and to manage our life properly. Because many times what happens is small actions that we do make our life boring, make our life ineffective, and then there are times when people feel, or rather, those who are observing some other people, they feel that a person is not leading a meaningful life, but is leading just like any other creature. And this happens when the life is monotonous. We get engrossed into the do's and don'ts of life. We keep on listening what we should do, what we should not do, this, that, is that right, is that wrong, and all that. And we do not ask ourselves what we want, what makes us happy. We are always busy making others happy, whereas others are not bothered about our happiness, and even we are not bothered about our happiness. Then what? Then we keep on doing things for making everybody happy and for following the rules that we have learned. In turn, we make our life monotonous, boring, and ineffective. And when such a thing happens, a person loses the desire to even live. Why should I live? Oh my God, what's the meaning of my life? Why am I here? People keep on asking these questions, and remember, each person is born to do some good thing on this planet. And also remember, we are not allowed to leave the planet unless we complete our work. But
very nicely said.
But we should understand why we are here, what is the purpose of our life, and the moment we understand the purpose of our life and we start working to fulfill that purpose, the life is no more boring, it becomes interesting.
So through this life management program, effective life management program,
Yeah.
person can realize what to do, what is
Yeah.
purpose of his life.
Yes,
He can relate that.
absolutely. Because every individual is a unique person. Every person has got some specific qualities
Only thing
Which
we
are-
should recognize.
different from others. Yes, one should recognize. So it is not that my parents want me to be a mechanical engineer, so I should be a mechanical engineer. Even if that person is interested in drawing or any kind of art, that is what the heart of a person takes him to do. But the parents want him, so he is doing. Then it becomes boring. So, what you want, what you are best at, once you realize it and you do that,
You will do it more interestingly.
Yes. And yes, I would say one thing. There are times when people realize it at the fag end of their life. When they retire, they realize, oh my God, I wanted to do something in my childhood. Now after retirement, I will. Okay. Still, it is not too late because they still have quite a lot of time ahead. But if at all they realize it right when they are starting their career, they can do it better.
The career should be different.
Yes.
And it will be more effective also, and
Absolutely.
again, more interestingly we will do it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. That's right.
I'm very eager to see this kind of program, and
Yes.
so again, one more question. So throughout this effective life management, we are looking forward for stress management.
Yeah.
Along with that, rightly you said,
Yeah.
every person he should understand what is his purpose of, what is the purpose of his life.
Right.
So after he will get knowledge about that part
Right.
through your program,
Yeah.
so he can newly start his life.
Yes. I mean, I would say that he will change the stream of life completely. No, that is not the case. You can do what you're doing, but you can do it in a more effective manner. What you're doing, fine. If you have already chosen a path of life, say for example, if a person has already been working in a particular area of life, he has taken up a job, and suddenly he realizes, no, this is not my niche is something else. No, the person should not give up this work and do that, but he can strike a perfect balance in between. That can be done.
Okay.
And that will make the life more interesting instead of making it meaningless. That many times people find.
It's more interesting.
Yes.
So how can one register for this program?
Well, it is very simple. You can find the phone number scrolling below, and you can either call that number, or you can drop a WhatsApp message on that number, or you can find the link below and fill up the Google form, and we'll connect with you and give you all the further information about the effective life management program. That's it.